Have you ever wondered how to make a paper dragon? Does the thought of crafting a mystical creature from a simple sheet of paper intrigue you? If so, you're in for a treat. Creating a paper dragon starts with a simple yet essential tool, paper. But not just any paper. Origami paper is the paper of choice for this task, due to its versatility and durability. It's available in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, so you can choose the one that best suits your dragon's personality. Step 1 involves folding the origami paper in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Then, unfold it, giving you a neat crease down the middle. This is the backbone of your dragon. Step 2 is all about creating the dragon's body. Fold the two corners of the longest edge of your triangle towards the crease you just made. You should end up with a diamond shape. Next, fold the top of the diamond down towards the bottom, creating a smaller diamond. This forms the body of your dragon. Step 4 is when the magic starts to happen. Fold the bottom corner of your diamond upwards, creating the dragon's tail. Then, fold the top corner down to make the dragon's head. The 5th step brings your dragon to life. Fold the right and left corners of the diamond towards the middle, crafting the dragon's wings. Finally, add some personality to your dragon by drawing eyes and scales or even adding glitter or sequins. So, to summarize, creating a paper dragon involves 6 simple steps. 1. Folding your paper diagonally to create a crease. 2. Folding the corners of your triangle towards the crease to form a diamond. 3. Folding the top of the diamond down to create a smaller diamond. 1. Folding the bottom corner of your diamond upwards for the tail, and the top corner down for the head. 2. Folding the right and left corners of the diamond towards the middle for the wings. 3. Adding a personal touch with drawings or decorations. With these steps, you can transform a plain sheet of paper into a fantastical dragon. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and bring your very own dragon to life. It's not only a fun activity, but also a great way to express your creativity and artistic skills. And remember, the only limit is your imagination.